Every day is a thriller, a thriller, a thriller. I'm dreaming it bigger. Everything to be discovered. No fear, get it on. Living the future beyond the beyond. The revolution's already begun. The revolution's already begun. It's already begun. The revolution's already begun. The revolution's already begun.
Happy birthday, Ayel!
Hi, Ayel! Happy 18th birthday!
The revolution's already begun.
Happy 18th birthday, Ayel!
Happy 18th birthday, Ayel!
Revolution's already begun. Look in the mirror. There ain't nothing realer. Show me the color. Live it up. Let's go. Yeah, we gonna be having the fun. The revolution's already begun.
Happy 18th birthday, Ayel!
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 Revolution's already begun. The revolution's already begun. Masterpiece.
Si Ayel is a very outgoing person. Pagdating sa mga lakaran, hindi siya mapili. Hindi siya yung tipong mahirap i-please in a daily life. She's very simple.
Talagang makikita ko sa kanya na kahit ano, dalhin mo siya sa lugar na yon, very happy-go-lucky siya, very down to earth.
Siguro yung happiest moments ko is yung naglalaro kami ng Growtopia. Pinaka-memorable. Oo. Ayel, balik mo yung in-scam mo sa amin sa Growtopia.
Kahit na hindi man tayo blood related, ako pa rin ang kuya mo, so help pa rin kita. Hindi lang ako masyadong ma-approach, pero you can always approach me naman.
It's not easy, everything that we went through. I'm so glad na you're continuing pursuing kung ano yung mga goals mo in life.
We're transitioning now to adulthood period. I know na marami pang tough challenges ang darating compared before. But I know na kakayanin mo yan kasi you're a tough person. No matter what happens, we'll be always here. I want you to know na mahal ka namin.
Yung wish ko sa'yo, Ayel, is matupad mo yung pangarap mo na maging doktor and pagbutihin pa yung pag-aaral. Magmana ka sa akin lalo.
Happy 18th birthday, Ayel.
Happy birthday!
We love you, anak.
We love
Happy
you.
birthday.
Happy 18th birthday.
Enjoy.